Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all you have to visit the Chrome web store here. So you have to visit the Chrome web store and then tap enter, go to the Chrome web store and search for this one, the Shop Master. Go to the Chrome web store and search for Shop Master. Okay, search for the Shop Master. Search for the Shop Master. Okay, wait a second. Search for Shop Master and then install this one, add it to your Chrome extension, then head over to the alibaba.com. You have to go to Alibaba and then you have to tap onto the product you want to add to Shopify store. So after typing onto it, you have to tap onto Shop Master and then tap onto import the product. As you can see, my product is already imported, so it is not showing right now. So if you want to add it, you just have to tap on to import, and from there you can go to Shopify, Shopmaster, and from there you can tap on to add it to your store now. So that's it. This is how you can do it, as simple as that. So if this video helped, please drop a comment below and subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.